Weird things that happened in space. Have you ever wondered what strange and unexpected things can happen beyond Earth? Space isn't just cold and silent. It's full of weird stories, mysterious events, and scientific surprises. From smells that no one expected, to tools lost forever. Here are 10 weird things that happened in space. Number 7 will blow your mind. 1. Space smells like steak? Astronauts aboard the ISS reported that space smells like seared steak, hot metal, or welding fumes. But how do they know? They smell it on their suits and tools after spacewalks. Scientists believe the scent comes from high-energy vibrations of atoms mixing in the vacuum. It's a smell you can't really find on Earth, but everyone who's been to space says it's unforgettable. 2. A screwdriver floating away almost caused disaster. In 1965, astronaut John Young accidentally let go of a screwdriver during a mission. It floated away inside the spacecraft and got stuck behind a panel. Later, it caused a short circuit and nearly ruined their communications system. One floating tool almost ended the mission. 3. Space herpes is real. Believe it or not, herpes viruses can reactivate in astronauts. NASA found that stress and radiation in space lower immunity, so viruses like herpes, chickenpox, and Epstein-Barr reawaken. Some astronauts had no symptoms, but others showed mild outbreaks. It's one of the strange effects of microgravity on the human body. 4. A mysterious object hit a space station, and no one knows what it was. In 1991, the Soviet space station Mir was hit by a small object. It made a loud bang and left a dent in one of the modules. The crew had no idea what it was. A micrometeorite? Space junk? Whatever it was, it reminded everyone how fragile life in orbit can be. 5. Astronauts lose height and then regain it. In space, without gravity pulling down the spine, astronauts grow taller, up to 2 inches, 5 centimeters. But once they return to Earth, gravity compresses the spine again. It's a weird cycle of stretching and shrinking. Painful for some, fun fact for others. 6. A lost glove is now orbiting Earth. In 1965, astronaut Ed White lost his glove during America's first spacewalk. It floated off into orbit and stayed there for months, becoming one of the first pieces of space junk. A single glove circling Earth at thousands of miles per hour. A reminder of how even tiny mistakes can leave a mark. 7. Water behaves like a living creature in microgravity. In zero gravity, water forms perfect spheres and moves in unpredictable ways. Astronauts say it's like trying to drink a jellyfish. Sometimes, large blobs of water float around the cabin and even stick to people. It looks magical, but it's tricky to manage without gravity. 8. Someone played bagpipes in space. In 2015, astronaut Kjell Lindgren surprised the crew of the ISS by playing a set of electronic bagpipes. He played a song in memory of a colleague who had passed away. Bagpipes in space? It was both touching and incredibly unusual. 9. A fire burned for 14 minutes in space. In 1996, a fire broke out on the Russian space station Mir. It lasted for over 14 minutes, caused by a malfunctioning oxygen generator. The crew fought it while choking on smoke. Without gravity, flames behave differently, spreading in dangerous ways. They barely survived. 10. Astronauts see flashes of light with their eyes closed. Many astronauts report seeing flashes of light when trying to sleep, even with their eyes shut. These flashes are caused by cosmic rays hitting the retina directly. It's like the universe is sending secret light signals to your brain. But they're not always pleasant. Space is full of surprises. And not all of them are scientific. Some are funny, some scary, and some just completely unexpected. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell for more amazing space facts, mysteries, and stories, right here on KnowBerry.